I've got the perfect prize to brighten up not just your day, but your whole year. There's a huge £50,000, a brand new car and a bumper selection of goodies. That whopping 50 grand could help you cut down your mortgage, help the kids out or top up your pension pot. And you can also take your life up a gear with this new Audi Quattro Q3. It comes in a selection of colours, has an inbuilt navigation system and heated seats ready for the winter. And there's more. You could get your hands on all these fantastic gifts and gadgets. There's a Prada suitcase, £2,000 worth of Harrods vouchers and a mini iPad. So to be in with a chance of winning this bonanza prize of £50,000, Audi and gifts, just text the word prizes to 82248. Call 090 41 61 9000. Text costs £1.50 plus one standard network rate message. Calls cost no more than £1.54 from BT landlines. Other networks may be higher and mobiles considerably more. You can also enter for free at itv.com. Entrance must be 18 or over. Entries made after lines close at midday on Friday the 10th of October will not be counted but may still be charged. Good luck!